Get Rich Smart, the 88 Steps You Need. The Millionaire Mindset, Felix Dennis's 88 Steps. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a book that's both provocative and practical. Felix Dennis's How to Make Money, the 88 Steps to Get Rich and Find Success. If you're serious about building wealth and finding financial freedom, this book is packed with actionable advice and unconventional wisdom from someone who truly walked the walk. So, who was Felix Dennis? He was a British entrepreneur, publisher, and poet, known for founding Dennis Publishing, one of the largest independently owned media companies. At the peak of his career, Dennis was worth an estimated $750 million. But he didn't start out with money. He built his empire from scratch, and throughout his life, he was incredibly candid about what it takes to get rich. In How to Make Money, Dennis outlines 88 steps, practical steps, but also a mindset, a philosophy for wealth creation. The book isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about real strategies for accumulating wealth, backed by Dennis's own experiences and mistakes. Felix Dennis breaks down the idea that becoming rich isn't about luck or even raw talent. It's about certain habits, decisions, and psychological insights that anyone can learn and apply. Let's dive into some of the key principles from the book. 1. If it flies, floats, or fornicates, rent it. Felix was known for his blunt and direct style. This phrase means don't waste money on flashy purchases like yachts or planes when you're building wealth. Keep your capital working for you. Invest in assets that appreciate rather than liabilities that drain your resources. 2. Take calculated risks. Dennis argues that most people fail to become rich because they are too afraid of taking risks. He explains that there is no reward without risk. To succeed, you have to be willing to take calculated risks, whether it's investing in a business, trying a new career path, or stepping out of your comfort zone. 3. Be relentlessly focused. Another key point in Dennis's book is the importance of relentless focus. To make real money, you have to focus on a single goal and pursue it with everything you've got. The ability to ignore distractions and maintain focus is what separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest. 4. Execution is everything. Dennis stresses that ideas are worthless without execution. He uses his own life as an example. He took his ideas, put in the hard work, executed them, and built an empire from scratch. If you have an idea, don't just talk about it, act on it immediately. So, how can you apply these lessons to your life? Start by identifying one area where you can take a calculated risk. It could be investing in a new project, starting a side hustle, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Next, focus on one financial goal and commit to it for the next 6 to 12 months. Make sure every step you take is moving you closer to that goal. Steps to apply Felix Dennis's principles in real life, with short, actionable points. Finally, don't just think, execute. If you have an idea, take the first step today. Even if it's small, it's still a step forward. Felix Dennis's How to Make Money is a powerful guide for anyone serious about building wealth. It's not always an easy read. Dennis is brutally honest about the sacrifices required, but it's a must-read for those who want to understand the mindset and mechanics of getting rich. So, grab a copy, start applying these principles, and watch your financial future unfold. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving success. That is me, Nathan, and write in the comments how this book helped you to reach your goals. We'd like to hear your story.